All right, hey guys. This video is for codominance. So this is slightly different from incomplete dominance. Codominance is when we have traits that are expressed equally. Okay, so instead of something like incomplete dominance where we have a blend of the two colors or traits, codominance is where both of them are getting expressed equally. So examples can be like stripes, spots. If you have like a speckled dog or a cat, it's got like spots on it. But it's basically showing two things at the same time. Both of them are showing, and you can see them both clearly. Okay, so our example for this one is called a roan horse. So a roan horse is when you have a horse that is red and white. Okay, it's got like splotches on it. Okay, and so if we look at a roan horse, what is the probability of the offspring being red or white? So a roan horse is crossed to another roan horse. Before we get into that, let's just clarify. So we'll do C for color. If we have the genotype CR, that is a red horse. If we have heterozygous CRW, that is going to be our roan horse. Okay, and then CW, that's going to be white. So if we have two parents that are both roan horses, their genotypes are going to be CR, CW, CR, CW. Okay, and then we can go ahead and just put that into our Punnett square. All right, once we got the parents, we can just go ahead and fill it in. All right, so let's do some highlighting. So anything that is homozygous for R, that's going to be a red horse. So we have one of those. Anything that is a roan horse is going to be partly red. And anything that has the white allele, the W, is going to have some white on it. And then we have WW, so that's going to be a completely white horse. So with that filled out, we can kind of figure out our genotypic ratios and our phenotypes. Right? So for CRCR, we have one of those. CRCW, we have two of those. And for CWCW, we have one of those. So our ratios, let's make that look more like a 2, is 1 to 2 to 1. All right. And then we find too, in a codominant example, the genotypic ratios are going to be the same as phenotypic ratios, right? Because we have one red horse, we have two roan horses, and one white horse. Okay. And then we ask, what is the probability of a roan offspring? So we have 2 roans out of 4, so that's just 2 out of 4, or 50%. And then probability of a red or white horse, well, if it's a red horse, it would be 25%, and a white horse would also be 25%. But there you have it for codominance.